Uncle John, good morning. I haven't even spoken yet this morning, and I'm here trying to talk with a frog in my throat. This is the MG. It's got the wooden frame. I think you remember we talked about this before. These are the hinge bolts where the door, the door hinges bolt to. But over like 60 years or so, this wood has, become worn out, ogged out from the bolts vibrating. And what I'm thinking about doing is buying some dowel pins, drilling out these holes a little bit more, to accommodate a dowel pin, a wooden dowel, and gluing it in. And then that way I've got a new surface to drill through. Okay, got a new surface to drill through. So and this is what it looks like here. This is the outer skin panel. It's steel. Okay, I don't need to worry about those holes. But let me show you this glue. I bought this glue. This is really good stuff. Really good glue. But do you think that's good to do? Drill these out and put the plug in, the dowel pin size plug in here. So that will be a new surface to drill through. I think that's a good idea, but I want to run it by you, see what you think. Is there any compatibility wood issues I need to worry about? Most of the dowel pins I think are pine. I don't know for sure, but you think I need to get a hardwood dowel pin versus a pine soft wood? Or are there options to choose from? Different hardness of a dowel pin. Okay, I think that conveys what I'm trying to do. And thanks so much. And we'll talk. See ya.